Hey guys, I'm Bernard. I'm back again with another story that made me change my lifestyle to financial minimalism. And this one happened to me when I was 26 years old. So I was buying my first condo. It was 25 minutes away from the downtown where I live. And I remember that I had some big expectations for this condo. Like, it would become the pillar of my social life. Like, all of my friends would always come to my place, and my place would be very nice and fancy. And it would also become something that expressed my personality. God damn, I was wrong. And around the same time, I had a friend of mine who moved in a small apartment like 5 minutes away from downtown. And this apartment was really modest. And this friend of mine, he had a lot more money than I had. And he moved in a small apartment with used furniture his parents gave him and used appliances. And guys, you wanna know what? Me and my friends were there all the time. Like every weekend, we would go to his apartment before we would go downtown at the bars. And you wanna know what? Absolutely nobody cared. And it might even have been funnier to hang out at his apartment because it was small and ugly and because it stank, because we would make these jokes about it, and these jokes were funny. So if it was a good looking place, we would not had the fun of making these jokes. I was there and I've just wasted a lot of money, and I was not happier than he was in his small apartment. So that made me think twice about the way that I use money. Do I use money on things that provide me happiness, or do I use my money to build wealth to someday be where I want to be? And this place, by the way, is freedom. Freedom of doing what I want and to make all the projects that I want. So guys, that's it for this one. And if you want to watch some other stuff that I did about managing personal finance or investing in real estate or stocks, I'm gonna put some links right there. And these are going to be what YouTube thinks you would like the most of out of my other videos. If you want to watch these, that's nice. If not, that's nice. And I see you in the next one, guys.